Hey guys, it's Brandy with Canwil Textiles. Today I'm going to show you how to build this gorgeous 8-foot dome piece. It sits on top of our 8-foot round drape support kit. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to set it up, and what else you need to make it really stand out. The 8-foot dome sits on top of the 8-foot round drape support. Likewise, if you want a 10-foot dome, you order the 10-foot round drape support. Be sure to order the same size as they only fit together. What's important to note with the dome kits is that you actually get 2 boxes in the mail. One with all of your pipes, and then the other is going to be your anchor box. Very lightweight, just the circle that goes to the top of your dome. So in here, you have roughly 4-foot pieces, and this is going to create that round drape support. Now that we've confirmed that we have all pieces of the 8-foot round drape support kit, we need to work on making the actual circle. You'll form the circle, then that's what tells you where your uprights and bases need to be. To begin your 8-foot round setup, your connector pieces are your starting point. You're going to set them at the north and south end of your circle. Okay? East and west are going to be your 2 pipes on each side with the hooks. You're going to make sure that the hooks are both downward facing together. All that's remaining are your 2 pipes on either end that have no hook ends. The ends with the black plastic piece are the ones going into the connector. Now that we have everything lined up, I want to recap. Your connector pieces are going to come on the north and south end of your circle. Your hook end drape supports are going to be on either side, and then just the remaining pieces with no hooks go in between. Now we just snap them right into place. With the button stop included, that allows you to push and lock your drape support into place. All right, now we know exactly where our uprights need to go, so we're going to put our pins in our bases and get those put up. Now you're ready to put in whatever uprights you have in stock to set up as tall as you want. We're going to use our 3-foot fixed for the sake of the visual. What's important is that you have 4 pipes that have a clamp on either end, and you have 4 pipes that have a clamp only on one end. These are the ones you're going to start with, along with your anchor placed in the center. Keep your 8-foot round down on the ground, as it's easier to set up from the ground and then raise up when it's complete. You'll begin by using the end that does not have a clamp. Those are going to go into your 4 posts of your anchor. That clamp will then attach down onto that drape support. As we're setting up, your anchor has a sticker that says upward. Very important, it won't work otherwise. Make sure this anchor faces the correct way. Each of the clamps have a nut and bolt attached to it underneath. This is your fastener. You're going to open it up, fit it directly over the drape support, bring this part down to where you can loosen it up and bring it up, and then you can tighten it back up in place. Make sure you don't tighten it all the way, leave it a little loose so you have wiggle room to work with later. Now your 4 posts are secure on your anchor piece. Your anchor piece is facing upward as the sticker indicates. Now you're ready to assemble your double clamp drape supports. These are going to lie in between your fixed drape supports going into the anchor. So 1 clamp secures to the anchor itself, and 1 clamp secures to the 8-foot round drape support. Okay, so we have everything lined up in the top. Again, we left a little bit of wiggle room so we can make sure it's adequate on all sides. Now you're ready to fasten tightly. You'll know you did it right if you have a clamp, non-clamp, clamp pattern across your anchor. Now we're ready to lift. My lovely friend is going to assist me and get this in place into the hooks. Again, you can go to whatever height you like, but we're doing 3 foot just for the visual. All right, our dome is now complete. We can put our custom dome covers on top out of fabric in different colors. We can drape it with flowers. We can use our XX extension in order to run dual drape supports and create a custom look that way. 2 separate kits, our round drape support, in addition to our dome, 8 foot and 8 foot.